Laura, welcome back to episode 2 of HalloWednesday. I'm so excited that you could be here. Today I am going to show you how to paint your face like a cat. So let's get started. So step 1 to painting your face like a kitty cat is using a cream-based paint that's white, and we're going to apply that all over my face. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Just me here. No one else. There we go. Yeah. It can feel a little cold, but that's okay. Yeah. Just get up. Next up, I'm going to make my nose. I have this vibrant pink color. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip my brush in that color, swirl it around a few times, and then add it to my nose right here. There it is. What else do cat... Oh, I need more. I need... Oh, my mouth. Using black cream paint and add some whiskers. Going horizontally across my cheeks, just like real cat whiskers. These are going to be adorable. I'm going to go ahead and switch hands so that I can reach my left side a little easier. Using that same horizontal motion that I used for the other side. Next up, I'm going to get up here and give myself some cat ears. Using that same black and same detail brush. And doing the same thing. Gonna go ahead and give it to my left. Going back in again with the black. Oh, a cat eye, because what's a cat without cat eye makeup? It's gonna look amazing. Again, switching hands so that my left eye. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a tutorial of how to make yourself a cat. Bye. Big reveal. My beautiful assistant, thank you so much. Perfection. Perfection. So, we're going to do a serious attempt at a cat face painting video. My qualifications are that I teach elementary school, and so like 3 different times I've painted faces at our school fair. She's really good at it. She knows what she's doing. Yeah. She's a professional. I've never had a 5-year-old complain. Yeah. Never. So we're going to use this primer first and see if that'll help a little bit. Right. This is Smooth Operator Skin Perfecting Primer from Fleur de Vie, which is manufactured and distributed from Natchitoches, Louisiana. So there you go. It's what I put on my face every day, and it's really cool because it's this very pale color, but when you put it on and you tap it, it blends to be whatever color your skin is. It's like magic. It is. It's magic. And it's good magic. It's very appropriate for HalloWednesday. Oh, yeah. If you need some, let me know. I can hook you up. I don't sell it, but my friend does. Yeah, we know somebody who does. If you're interested in this primer or any other products from this company, I'll go ahead and leave a link below, so go and check them out. They're awesome. They're awesome. They're awesome. Totally awesome. Also, my 2 cats are in here for this particular filming, so lucky you. Hey, cute cat. Hi, boys. I'm going to go ahead and do pretty much the same thing that that Laura did. In the first video, start off with your nose, and it's just this pink paint. So I'm going to try to make your nose more cat-shaped this time. say a little December's tune while we're doing this. I'm a cat face painter on HalloWednesday. Oh, your nose already looks like 20 times better. I'm gonna do it like this.
Yeah. By the way, if you hear a clicking noise in the background, that's the fan.
Yeah, as we mentioned, we're hot. You guys could already tell that from looking at us.
Hey.
I'm gonna make you a little cat troop. I don't know why, but I felt like that was necessary.
Okay.
I feel like that went more into clown territory than cat territory.
I'll be a clown cat.
A cat clown.
Oh, it'll be great. I'll go to cat birthday parties.
We're blurring, it's a crossover video. So, that's too much. I'm going to take some of this black paint and this tiny brush and make a cat eye.
Sarah, how many cats would you say that you had in your lifetime?
Oh gosh. Well, when we were growing up, I wasn't allowed to have inside cats. So that number is tremendous. Because I don't know if you've ever had an outside cat, but they're not, the longevity of owning an outside cat is sketchy.
Yeah.
Out in the country. It's sketchy at best. I don't want to say they got eaten. Maybe some of them just ran away to better homes. But at least a good portion of them got eaten by something.
Yeah.
So, I've had lots and lots of cats. Inside cats, I've had 2 here. Stevie is almost 10.
Oh,
And I know,
he's almost 10.
he's a boy. And
I love him.
and then we got Stripey for my daughter because Stevie being older, he really didn't care about her very much, and he wasn't the pet that she was hoping for. And he turned out, in the beginning at least, to somewhat be the spawn of the devil. But it's gotten a little better with age.
He's gotten a lot more cuddly, and I think he's calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, boy cats do that. They mellow.
So she's mixing the pink
mixing
and the
the
white.
pink and the white. Kinda. Oh yeah, there you go. Some little cake heroes.
What do you think, Stevie? He doesn't care.
Stevie thinks that he didn't approve. We have no permits. Yep. Okay. Actually, that's not a bad cat face.
Yeah?
If you were 5, you'd be delighted with this.
I'm over 25, and I'm still probably going to be delighted.
So go ahead and let them see you.
Oh, that's cute.
It's almost identical to the first one.
Eerily similar. I love it. It's super cute. I love my cat ears so much.
I didn't really mean for there to be those black spots in the middle.
I'll just have little polka dot cat ears.
There.
I like
That's a little
them.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is proof that you can have really cute Halloween makeup with any kind of products. Like, I got this coffin-shaped paint thing for like $5. So don't feel like you have to go out and spend a whole lot of money if your kids just want to be cute cats for Halloween.
Yeah. Chrissy, you want me in the video?
Oh, it's Johnny!
Chrissy. Which one is the real cat? It's almost impossible to tell.